Day 3. We'll start section 4 as soon as I get the bike fixed. Again, you can see the fairings pretty floppy, and it's hitting the front fender when I turn, so that's no good. So I think we're gonna go off to Ace Hardware, and I don't know, we'll figure something out. We'll figure something. I can make it roadworthy easily. It's off-road worthy, I'm not so sure about. All right, now for the test ride. Quick video about the double track that is Beaver Rim. I mean, it's just double track, right? But it's all this sandy, coarse sand shit. And so you're going along, you got no traction. And then, because Wyoming hates you, it throws in some of this gravel. So you got loose gravel on top of loose sand, right? And then, because it's a double track, you're actually riding in a rut the whole time, and you stare off into beautiful distance to see the view, and all of a sudden your front tire's climbing out of the rut, your back tire's happy in the rut, and you're going sideways going, "Save me, Jesus, save me, Jesus. Oh, Lord." And this is, I don't know, it's like 1,000 miles of this stuff. You just got to pay attention. So usually the best way to get through cows is to like just go right at them before they figure out what you are. You're already past them. But they're already freaking out. Wish me luck. Never underestimate the power of duct tape and Moto cam buckles. Right? It's on there pretty good. All right, this is day 3, the end of section 4. I'm in Atlantic City, Wyoming, at the Atlantic City Mercantile. I'm going to go in and have some lunch, and then on to section 5, I guess. I guess we'll keep rolling. The next town is Lander, so I mean, why not? I got nothing else going on right now, anyhow. Oh man. Anyways, just a quick recap. That was a heck of a day. That rim is kind of no joke. It's double track, but they're, you know, basically 2 ruts wide, full of sand and gravel, and they're antelope constantly trying to kill themselves by running in front of you. Or I had one that ran parallel to me for 2 miles, thinking I was chasing it. Even though we were even, I had to stop. I felt so bad for the stupid thing. I actually had to stop and let it get away. Yeah, I saw wild horses today. Saw 2 elk. I did not expect that. A couple deer. But yeah, that ridge is beautiful, but it's long. It is so long. And the front end held up. So I guess we're just going to keep rolling. Right now I'm starving, so I'm going to eat. And then on to section 5, I guess. Thank you guys for following along.